What's going on, guys? This is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you that how you can install Kali Linux operating system on WSL on Windows 11 computer. For this you don't have to install VirtualBox or VMware software. In Windows operating system we have an option to run operating system virtually, and that is called Windows Subsystem for Linux. Using this option, we can easily install Kali Linux operating system on our Windows computer using the WSL, and also we can get access of Graphical User Interface using the Remote Desktop Protocol. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get Kali Linux operating system installed on your Windows 11 computer using the WSL and how you can get the Graphical User Interface. So further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel, and if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. Okay guys, now you can see my computer screen and I am using the Windows 11 operating system. If I press on my keyboard Windows plus R key, it will open Run, and if I type here WinVar and press enter, you can see my version. I am using Windows 11 version 22H2 and the build number is 22621.819. So to install Kali Linux operating system with the Graphical User Interface on your Windows 11 using the Windows Subsystem for Linux, you have to make sure you are using latest Windows 11 operating system. Now after that, you have to enable the virtual machine platform of your Windows operating system. For this, click on this start icon and search for Turn Windows feature on and off, this option. Then click on it and open it. Then scroll down and search for Virtual Machine Platform. Here you can see the Virtual Machine Platform section, and here I have already enabled it. In your case, this option will not be checked. So you have to check it, then click on OK. And after some time, it will ask you to reboot your computer. I have already enabled it, so I'm not going to do it again. Now after that, you have to open Microsoft Store. Then click on search bar and search for WSL. And you will get this option, Windows Subsystem for Linux. Click on it, and here you will get an option to install it. Click on this install button to install this Windows Subsystem for Linux. It's gonna take some time, so you have to wait. Okay. Now the installation has been done. Click on open and it will open the terminal. Okay. So Windows Subsystem for Linux has been installed. Now we have to install the Kali Linux operating system. So again, click on this search bar and search for Kali Linux. Then click here. And now you have to install the Kali Linux operating system on WSL. So click on this install button. It also gonna take some time, so you have to wait. Okay. Now the installation has been done. Now click on this open button and it will open up a terminal for you. Here you can see now it's installing the Kali Linux operating system and it will ask you for an username. Here I'm gonna give my username. You can type whatever you want. Then give a password for your Kali Linux operating system. Then press enter. Okay. So the Kali Linux operating system has been installed successfully. And now first of all, you have to make an update of your Kali Linux operating system packages. So here you need to type sudo apt update. Then press enter. Then give your root password. Then press enter. And this command is going to update all the Kali Linux packages. So now if you want, you can install and use Kali Linux operating system from this CLI option. Also, you can enable the Graphical User Interface of this Kali Linux operating system using the XRDP. So now let me show you how you can get the Graphical User Interface of this Kali Linux operating system. So for this, you have to install the XFCE Graphical User Interface of this Kali Linux operating system and XRDP protocol. So let's install the XFCE Graphical User Interface. So here I'm going to type sudo apt install Kali desktop XFCE. Then I'll press enter, then Y and press enter. It's gonna take some time, so we have to wait until the downloading and installation has been completed. So get a cup of coffee and sit back. Okay guys, now XFCE package has been installed successfully on our Kali Linux operating system. Now you have to install the XRDP package. And for this you have to type here sudo apt install XRDP. Then press enter. Then Y and press enter, and this command is going to install the XRDP package on your Kali Linux operating system. Okay, now you have to enable the XRDP service protocol, and for this you have to type here sudo service XRDP start, then press enter. Okay, now you can see remote desktop protocol server has been started. Now you have to type here IP, add and press enter to get the IP address of your Linux operating system. Here you can see the IP address of this Linux operating system. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on start and search for RDP, remote desktop connection. And here I'm going to type the IP address of my Linux operating system. In my case, this is 172.22.4.126. Then I'm going to click on connect, then yes, and it will give you this login screen. Here you need to type your username, in my case Mehdi Shakil, then type your password, then click on login. Now here you can see we successfully get the graphical user interface of our Linux operating system using this remote desktop protocol for our Windows subsystem for Linux option. Now you can easily install and use all the Linux tools on this operating system and can take use of this graphical user interface. By default, no tool has been installed on this Linux operating system. So now you can take use of your terminal to install all the tools whatever you want on this Linux operating system, or you can take use of the meta packages of Linux to install all the tools using one single command. If you want to install all the default tools, just need to type here sudo apt install Kali Linux large. Then press enter, then give your root password and press enter, and this command going to install all the Linux by default tools. Here you can see the size will be 15.3 GB. Then press Y and press enter, and now all of the Linux default tool are going to install on this Linux operating system. So guys, like this you can easily install Linux operating system on Windows subsystem for Linux and can take use graphical user interface using this remote desktop protocol. Now let me show you how you can get access whenever you restart your computer or want to get into Linux operating system. So here I'm going to close all of this. Now if I open up my terminal, you can see it open up by default in PowerShell. Now if you want to get access of Linux operating system, just type here Kali and press enter, and you will get into Linux operating system. So guys, like this you can easily install Linux operating system on WSL. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching SSTec tutorial, and I'm signing out.